This is a long walk to the farmhouse, guys. This walk is brutal. Brave the sickness, Andrew. Brave the sickness. It's not feeling well, guys. It's not feeling well. So anyways, guys, this farmhouse we're going to take you to, I don't know, it's just in the middle of nowhere here in Ontario. Can't tell you guys too much about the location because I don't want to give it away. As you guys are about to see, this place has not been touched by any vandals yet. No vandals, no nothing. It's kind of a fresh find for us. Whee! Hope you guys enjoy. See you on the inside. There's a few buildings that we can explore. That being one. There's like an abandoned trailer over there by the looks of it. Now we're exploring abandoned trailers. No more abandoned houses, guys. Abandoned trailers. That's the shitter. We found the shitter. This is where you're going to be sleeping all summer. That stove is pretty awesome. The roof is collapsing, guys.
Thing's done, bro. Pretty cool though.
It's pretty cool. It's a cool little find, eh, guys? What do you guys think? There's the beds.
Yo, do you think I should light a flame in here?
We might blow up. Alright guys, let's get out of this shitty trailer and let's head out to another spot. Let's head over to the house, the farmhouse. I don't even know how we're gonna get in here. This place looks locked up. Oh, there goes a squirrel or a chipmunk. This place has got cameras. You guys see that, right? That's a camera on the wall. No connection to that camera out there, guys. Hello. Oh, here's the garage. Definitely we're here last at Christmas. Because there's Christmas lights, guys. Head into the cellar. What's the cellar? Wood room.
Yep.
Ooh,
Webs. Okay, in there.
It's like blocked off on the other side, I'm guessing. Let's check out this way then. It's open, guys. It looks pretty cool in there. Yeah, security stuff already. Pretty cool. Bro, there is a head down here. Wow, this is cool. It goes right through, eh? It goes right through the stairs. The basement's full of hay. That is so strange, guys. I see we're in a farmhouse, but like, come on. Hay in the basement? Go down there and see what's down there. Not much,
Over
guys.
there.
Got an old lamp. That's the door outside right there. That's where we tried to come in. That's where it said wood. Okay, let's get out of this farm basement. Alright, let's head down through this way.
Like a kitchen.
Oh yeah, we're in the kitchen. Hey, it's modern, there's a dishwasher. Kitchen side. Look at that retro kitchen, bro. Even the wallpaper in here. You see the wallpaper?
Yeah, old school wallpaper. Kind of ugly. Sorry, sir.
Nothing in the cabinets. There's a driver's license there. Not going to show anybody the pictures of that driver's license, but there is a driver's license there from the last owner. So that was pretty. The pink room. Only cool in here is this table. I made that old photo. Check it out. What is it? I don't know. Some pretty cool looking lamps here. Alright, let's check it out.
Couple rooms, look like.
Stairs. This is a cool little room. There's no vandals have been in here. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
That's one thing I love about this place so far. There's no vandals. This is fresh. Look at this washroom, guys. Oh, hello, Craig. Another room, just like the other one. Nothing special in there, right? But there is another staircase. Wonder where that's going. I didn't see that downstairs, did you? Oh, look at the wall falling apart. There's a chimney. Alright, let's check with the other end of the house before we go down those stairs. Look at this room. Crazy paint job, people. It's got a chain on the door. Why the fuck does it have a chain on the door? Look at this, guys. That's very strange, eh, guys? A chain on the door. Very strange. It's like they locked their kids in here. Look. There's a damn chain. Well, not much left to explore up here. Oh, look! It's a puppy dog! Break right there. That's it, guys. Alright, let's head over to the barn, or whatever that other building is, before we run out of light. So you guys can get to see everything this wonderful little child terror house has to offer. Like, that's the strangest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's strange.
Oh yeah, let's head over to those other stairs. See where that takes us. Where are we going?
Just be worried there's a lot of cobwebs.
Oh yeah, look at those. Whoa. Jesus. Another kitchen. There's 2 kitchens in this house. Oh, that's pretty cool. Cool, we're fucking rich. There's another room over here that is filled with more hay. Alright, well, let's head out.
Take a shit. Yeah.
Alright, just before I leave, I need to drop a deucer. Alright guys, well this is the farmhouse.
This is it.
Alright, let's head out. Well, this is the barn, guys, on the property. Let's check out what's inside. We do see a boat. That is pretty cool. Somebody need a boat? Got one for sale.
Fix it up for you guys, and I can sell it to you guys. Give me the best offer.
It looks like a workshop we're in.
Yeah.
Like, there's just parts of everything in here. Literally.
Good. What tires? Loose tires.
You want a set of tires? Come on, look, I got all 4 here for you. All right. There's an old fireplace. Not much in here, guys.
Old fires.
It's just pretty,
Stove.
pretty wrecked and destroyed. Well, guys, I think that's all we really got for you guys. There's nothing in here to show you, other than that pretty cool boat.
That's the only cool thing. It's a boat. Pretty nasty.
Yeah. And you want a drink? Andrew, I dare you to drink it.
No. No.
Come on, man.
way.
Guys, what do you think? Give it to Andrew to drink? I'll let him bring it home. Oh, it is full, too.
If you guys gave me maybe at least $10 million, I'd probably drink it.
Yeah, there's the other side. So, that's all it was over here in the woods. I think that's all on this property. Let's head back the way we came in, because you can't go that way. You can't go that way.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you're right. You probably can't go that way.
That's what I told you. I'm not climbing through there, man.
No,
We could just walk the other way and it's so much easier. It's so hot out. How are you wearing that coat? Huh? How are you wearing that coat? It is fucking hot out here.
I'm not wearing. It's not like a coat.
Oh, come on, man. Like, people can see the mosquitoes flying around and everything on the camera here. And you're wearing a coat. Alright, let's go back the other way, because this way you can't go. Let's roll, Andrew Gordon.
Yes, I'm going.
Ugh. We're back. Should have a tire race. Too bad there wasn't a hill nearby. Got lots of tires. Who wants to dumpster dive? Alright, well, I guess we're not checking it out. Should we? No, it's stiff anyways. Well, guys, that's the barn. Hope you guys enjoyed there. Because I sure as hell didn't. What about you? You enjoy there?
Oh yeah, for sure.
You liked in there?
It was alright, not too bad, but I mean, it's exploring me.
That place was brutal in there. The house was kind of cool,
Yeah, that's what I mean.
which is right over there. And the trailer, which is over there.
That's why I gave it 4 out of 10.
But I wasn't asking you about the whole property. You'll get it. Bro, we're not bird watching.
No, I know, but it was just cool. It was shitting my pants. It was oily. Got my eye.
Alright guys, well if you like that explore with us, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Take care, guys. Have a good one.